Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Diksha Karnataka YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. So we are here with second session in COMEDK Launchpad. Okay, chapters I'm going to discuss today is going to be complex numbers and permutation and combinations. Okay, so we're going to solve I think I've total taken 20 plus questions today. So total exactly going to be 22 questions. We'll see that. Okay, 22. Okay, we'll see. I don't exactly remember the number of count of the questions, but we'll solve total of 20 questions minimum in the session today to learn the chapters complex number and permutation combination. Again, a simple chapter, not that difficult. Okay, if you know the concepts really well, the questions can be solved very quickly. Okay, so let's start the question number 1. Let's see sir what we have. Find the modulus of 1 plus I upon 1 minus I. It's a PYQ 2021. Please check how to solve it. Modulus, we know this value will be, if you have solved seen my other sessions, it will become sir 1 plus I upon 1 minus I will become sir I actually. So I'll have modulus of this. Please check. If Z is nothing but I sir, it means mod of Z will be sir how much? 1. Answer should be option A. Answer should be option A. Now if you're asking sir how it is option A, I can tell you that as well. Do one thing, take this rationalization, 1 minus I into 1 plus I upon 1 minus I, we get over here as, please check, 1 plus I square and plus 2I. This is going to be 1 plus I the whole square, right, the numerator, and I'll have over here 1 minus I square. So I'm going to get this, check this, and this is cancelled, so I square is minus 1, cancel with plus 1. I'm going to get over here 2I upon, please check, I have 1 minus of minus 1, basically 2I upon 2 getting cancelled, value is I. That's what I said, value is going to be I. So mod will be sir root of 1 square, simply one option is A. Next question, which is question number 2. Find the equation in the Cartesian coordinate form. We have, let's say I can write Z as x plus I y. I'm going to use it over here. Please check. I have Z minus 5 plus 6I equals to 5. Great. So we can start like this. Please check. It will become x plus iy minus 5 plus 6I equal to 5. I'm going to club this together in the real and imaginary axis. Okay. So we'll have x minus 5, and we have over here, please check, I have over here plus I and y plus 6, of course, in this modulus equals to 5. I can apply this, I want in the Cartesian form, right? I'll take the whole square. I'll get here x minus 5 the whole square plus y plus 6 the whole square equals to 5 square, which is nothing but 25. Option will be C. Option will be C. This is clear, very simple. Question number 2 is also very simple. Okay, this is basically what's a equation of a circle with the center 5 comma minus 6, radius 5. The value of this, please check. I can see clearly sir this is going to be nothing but minus 1, so I can write here minus I, right? Root of minus 1 is nothing but I. Okay, iota defined like this only, 4n plus 3 I can write. It will become minus I power 4n times of minus I power 3, right? We have plus 3, no, I can write it like this, product form of the exponent. Okay, so it becomes a minus I power 4. Please check. It will become basically like this, and we have minus I cube, right? So it will become, so please check, minus I the square will become so minus 1. Okay, and into minus I have, okay, so it will be plus I, and this will become 1 power n into plus I. Answer will be so simply I. Option C is correct. I can show you minus I square the power 2, right? It will become minus 1 power 2, simply 1. That's what I've written over here, simply 1 power n. What about this sir? I can write this as minus I the square into minus I. So minus I square is nothing but, please check, you'll have minus 1 only, correct now? You'll have minus 1 only. How come sir? I can write this as minus I square into minus I. What is this going to be? Please check. I square into minus I. What I have? Minus 1 into minus I. Correct or not? I square is minus I, 1, right? Hence minus I. Please check. Result is simply plus I. Option C is correct. Next question. 5z2 upon 11z1. Of course, we have z1, z2 as complex numbers. They are saying that it's purely imaginary. Okay, 5z2 upon 11z1 equals to purely means I can write this as ki, let's say some imaginary number. There is no real part of this complex number. Okay, so I can write from here, please check, z2 by z1 equals to, I can write here basically 11 by 5 ki. So I can see this, the imaginary part is going to be 11 by 5k. Okay, So I can take this as, let's say, another constant, k dash, and I can write here k dash I. It'll become, please check, it's not x dash, it's nothing but k dash. Okay, this is k dash I. Clear now? What is k dash value? 11k by 5. I can take from here, please check. I can take z1 common, sir. So I'll have over here, 1 second, mod will be outside now. Yeah, I will have 2 plus 3z2 upon z1, right, and divided by, I can take z1 one more time common over here. I'll have 2 minus 3z2 upon z1. Z1 is cancelled. What I get over here, 2 plus z2 by z1 is what, sir? K dash. Please check. So I'll have basically 3 k dash I upon 2 minus 3 k dash I. What is this going to be? Simply, sir, please check, 1, right? Because it will become I, no? So you'll have simply answer of modulus we're looking for, right? We're looking for modulus, it will become 1 only. If you want, I can show you over here like this. One more step, 4 plus 9 upon 4 plus 9. What is the answer, sir? Simply is going to be 1. Correct now? If I call this to be, let's say complex number z3, this is z3 and this is z3 conjugate, right? Divided by, you'll have same modulus, so answer will be 1. Option C is correct. Please check, option C is correct. Done or not? Extremely intelligent question, very good question. Okay, next one. Now, if you are somebody who is watching this series, it means you are somebody who are very serious about the COMEDK examination. You want to, improve your rank in the, Karnataka-based engineering colleges. Then you should take this crash course. In that, you're gonna get 12 mock tests. Okay, complete syllabus coverage of 11th and 12th. You'll get, theory part as well discussed over there. 5-year previous year questions, as well as live doubt solving sessions with class notes and recorded revision videos. All at a price of right now, discounted price of 1,999. It's actually price at 6,000 rupees, but 1,999 for the entire crash course if you take right away. This is the launch offer. Okay, now if you are somebody who's writing abhyas, so basically KSET examination, you should take abhyas KSET to practice different variety of questions across PCMB. Total are 35 mock tests available for all of you in PCMB, both part and full length test. Okay, and you have detailed video solutions and analysis, chapter wise, one short revision video, as well as chapter wise insight is also going to be there for last 5 years of KSET examination. If you check here, you can get this price, this thing at 1498. 1498. Okay, that 1 rupees was for including the PU2 series, but that is over. You're gonna take this at 1498 only. Let's move on now to to the next question. Please check what we have. I power 141, I power 142, I power 143, I power 144. What is common, sir? 141. But let's take even part common. I'll show you how. Take even one power, I power 140 common, it will become I plus I power 2 plus I power 3 plus I power 4. So I don't have to do anything about this, just keep it like this, I power 140. Check this out, I will be I, it will become some minus 1, I cube will be what, sir? I square into I, okay? This will be some plus 1. Won't you all agree? I power 4, I just proved it, is going to be plus 1. Minus 1, the square will become plus 1. Okay. So cheese, 1 minus 1 is cancelled. I have 1. I power 140 actually. And what I have? This I is there. And I have I square into I. I square is nothing but minus 1. So minus 1 into I will become minus I. Cancel one more time. What is the answer going to be? 0, sir. This will be 0 means everything multiplied to 0 will be 0 only. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Okay, chaliye. Next problem what we have. Find the value of I power 4n plus 1 minus I power 4n minus 1 by 2. Can I take something common? I power 4n is common, sir. I power 4n is common. So I'll have over here, please check, I minus, I'm taking 4n common, right? So 1 less is there, no, over here. It will become 1 upon I by 2, right? Does it have I power 4n, bacha? It does not have, right? It has 1 less, no? That's why I've taken here 1 in the denominator. If you cross multiply these two, what will happen? You'll have I power 4n minus I. Sorry, minus I power 1 will become 4n minus 1, right? Because I is in the denominator, division. Okay, the quotient rule of your exponents. Okay, so please check. I can continue. It will become, sir, I power 4 power n, and this will be, sir, I square minus 1 upon 2i. right, upon 2i. Please check. I power 4 is nothing but 1 power n. We have minus 1 upon 2i. Okay, so it becomes, so I power n is simply n only, so we get minus 2 upon 2i. This is cancelled. I'm getting here minus 1 upon I. Okay, if I'm taking this, I have a, please check, minus 1 upon I. I'll take here I into I. Okay, I'm trying to move this in the numerator. I get minus I upon I square. So I get minus I upon, please check, minus 1. Cancel, cancel. I get simply answer as plus I. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Very simple question. Okay, only have to follow the steps and simplify this to get the result as iota I. Okay, next problem. Number of solutions of the equation. Please check. Array, please check. So this is standard result, bacha. Z square plus mod of z square equal to 0. Infinite solution. I don't have to do this question. You should all know that. Okay, this is going to be a standard result. Mod of z square plus z the whole square is equal to 0. There's a result. There's a derivation for this, but not required. Remember, this will always be infinitely many solutions. Okay, next question. Please check. We have a root of 5 plus root of 3i the power 33 to power 49. Okay, right now it will become difficult. Okay, they are asking good thing for us. They are asking us, sir, modulus of complex number z, means I have to apply modulus. Apply that on this side. So you'll have modulus of this. Okay, let's do directly only. No, we don't have to go into this process. I'll directly write the modulus over here. So I'll have 5 plus, please check, 5 plus 3 in the root to the power we have 33 equals to, this is number, so as it is, and here we have mod of z. I'm looking for mod of z only, right? So it becomes a root 8, no? So 2 power 3 by 2, right? Please check. 5 plus 3 is 8. Correct, na? 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 power 1 by 2. What is 8, sir? 2 power 3. 1 by 2. What is the answer? 2 power 3 by 2. Power rule, na? Products, you have to multiply the powers. 2 power 3 by 2. And of course, the power 33 is there. And we have 2 power 49 mod z. Have a look. I'm getting over here. 2 power. Multiply these two once more. We get 99 by 2. Divide here. 2 power 49 equals to mod of z. Okay. Subtract, bacha. We get 2 power 99 by 2 minus 49 equals to mod of z. Have a look. So 2 power 99 minus 98 by 2 equals to mod of z. So 2 power 1 by 2 equals to mod of z. So basically root 2 equals to mod of z. Root 2 equals to mod of z. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Okay, now we can move on, sir. We can move on. Yes, the modulus of 1 minus cos inverse. Great. So let's take the number z equals to 1 upon mod of 1 minus cos theta plus I sin theta. This only, right? They're asking, because mod of 1 is what, bacha? It's going to be 1 only, no? What is the magnitude of 1, sir? It's 1. Okay, so we have to worry about only the denominator part. I'm looking for mod. Okay, they're asking modulus. All right, real part and imaginary part. What is the rule? Sir, we know the rule so much. Very simple actually. So square of this, square of 1 minus cos theta, and we have, of course, square of the imaginary part, so sin square theta. No confusion over here. Square of the real part, square of the imaginary part in the side the root. Okay, done. Great. Please check. I'm getting over here 1 upon, it'll become, sir, have a look. You will have 1 minus cos square, na? So you'll have 1 plus cos square theta, and we have minus 2 cos theta, and we have plus sin square theta as it is. Have a look. Okay, now you can club sin square and cos square together. You're gonna get another 1. Please check. Cos square plus sin square is 1. Identity is there, so that 1 and this 1 will make 2. We already have 1, so that will make 2. So I'll have, please check, I'll have mod of z coming as 1 upon, please check, I can write here 2 is there, 1 plus 1, this 1 plus this 1, 2 minus 2 cos theta, 1 upon, please check, I'm gonna get 2 is common, sir, 1 minus cos theta is there inside the root of cos. This is a formula for this, right? I get root 2 is as it is. 1 minus cos will become, sir, 2 sin square theta by 2. correct na? What I get for this? 1 upon 2 into 2, sir, it will become 4 na? Root will be simply 2, so I get 2 sine theta by 2. I want only positive value, modulus is there. So what I have, 1 by 2, please check mod of cosec theta by 2. If you're asking me how, I can tell you the last step. Square root of 2 into 2 is 2, sir. Square root of sine square is going to be simply sine in the modulus. I want only positive value. So cosec theta by 2, answer will be option C. Option C. Why, sir, option C not A? We are looking for modulus, only the magnitude. Only the magnitude, okay? So plus cosec theta by 2. 1 by sine will become cosec, right? So cosec theta by 2. This is, sir, 2 only. Okay? Done? Easy? Good question actually. Not very easy, but it's a good question. Moving on to the next problem. If a complex number lies in the third quadrant, it means, let's say I write here Z as A plus IB bacha. I have both A 0, so less than 0, and B also less than 0. How come, sir? Third quadrant, na? Okay, so this will be your real part and this will be your imaginary part, right? So you'll have both negative only. This side negative, this side also negative, both are negative, okay? So I want, what do you want? Quadrant which is conjugate lies. So I'm looking for Z bar, it will become, sir, A minus IB. Think about it, A remains as it is, so negative only. So we know A is negative and B was negative, so it means mass B will be, sir, positive actually. Mass B will be positive in the nature. So basically this will lie in when A is negative and B is positive. So what is that going to be? This quadrant, right? Second quadrant. Please check. A is negative, the X is, the real part is negative, A is the real part, negative. And what about B, sir? B has to be positive in nature, okay? B has to be positive in nature. So please check. Which quadrant, sir? Second quadrant. Smart question. Logical, no explanation required, okay? Moving on. Multiplicative inverse of this. See, this is something, you know, we have to do calculation over here. So we are looking for inverse, right? If this Z equals to, please check, 3 plus 4I upon 4 minus 5I. So basically your Z inverse will become, sir, inverse or reciprocal of this. So we'll have 4 minus 5I upon 3 plus 4I. Please check. I have to solve this, 4 minus 5I upon 3 plus 4I. I have to take this imaginary part in the numerator. So how I do that? Rationalize it. 3 minus 4I upon 3 minus 4I. What I get for this part? Please check. I'll have numerator as a product of these two numbers. Can I do it? 4 into 3 is 12, sir. 4 into minus 4 will be minus 16I. We have minus 5 into minus 3 will become minus 15I. And we'll have last one is plus 20I square. Plus 20I square. Okay, plus 20I square divided by 9. And we have minus 16I square. Minus 16I square. Please check. I can simplify this again. I have Z inverse equals to, please check, 12. I write this as 12 only. Minus 31I. And we have plus 20I square, it becomes minus 20 actually. Minus 20 only, because I square is negative, no? So it will become minus 20 divided by, please check, I have 9. Minus of I square will make again minus 1. It will become plus 16 actually. So have a look. I'm getting Z inverse as 12 minus 20, sir, is minus 8. And minus 31, we have I over here. Minus 31, we have 25. Answer, bacha, will be, please check. I can write here minus 8 by 25 as the real part. And then that comes here. Plus iota will come. We have 31, minus 31 by 25. Option will be, please check, we'll have minus 8 by 25 and option B is correct now. Option B is correct. Some calculation, not difficult at all. Very simple problem. Very, very simple problem. Okay. Next one. They're saying that if Z plus 4 is less than 3, then Z plus 1 modulus is going to be how much? Okay. So I can write here Z plus 1 modulus, please check, will be equal to what, sir? Will be equal to actually Z plus 4 modulus minus 3. Correct, na? Okay, let's separate this. I'll have Z plus 4 modulus, plus we have minus 3 modulus. What I get for this part? The maximum value of this bacha is going to be 3. So right here 3, it will become 3. It means Z plus 1 modulus value will be, we have less than, this condition is what, sir? Less than equal to, it means I'll have this also as Z plus 1 less than equal to 6. Option C will be correct. correct. Option C will be correct. Okay, this completes your complex number problems. Let's move on to the next section, which is in the case of permutation and combination. Okay, in how many ways can 4 red, 3 yellow and 9 and 2 greens, 4 reds, 3 yellow and 2 greens discs can be arranged in a row if the discs are of same color are indistinguishable? Okay, it means okay, indistinguishable means they have to be together, right? Then only you can disguise. If they're together, let's say all reds are together, they're all reds, okay, you can't see them apart, right? So you have to keep the reds together, greens together, yellows together. So basically we have 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2 is 9, so 9 factorial. The total combinations possible divided by 4 coming together, right? 4 factorial, 3 factorial for the yellows and 2 factorial for the what do you call greens, because they are coming together. You have to divide that part. Okay, this will be coming as bacha 12 6 0. Solid will get the result as 12 6 0. 12 6 0. Okay, great, sir. Have a look. Answer will be option D actually. Please cross check and let me know if you're getting different answer. You know how to solve it, right? It will be 9 into 8 into 7 actually. 7 into 6 into 5 I have. I'm cancelling the 4 factorial actually. I'm cancelling the 4 factorial. Okay, what I have left now is going to be 3 factorial, so 6 into 2. 6 is cancelled. 2 4s are 8 is there. I am getting here 9 into 7 into what is this? 20. 20, how much is that? 6, 12. Answer will be 1260. Please check. Clear na? Very simple calculations are there. Okay, just you can see the rest of part will be cancelled. Simple multiplications, result will be 1260. Option D is correct. Next problem. From the number of ways of choosing 4 face cards from a pack of 52 playing cards. Face cards, right? Face cards are total 12. Okay. So basically out of 12 I have to pick any 4 na. So it will become 12 factorial upon, please check, 8 factorial into 4 factorial. What I get for this? 12 into 11 into, I have over here 10 into 9, yeah, divided by 4 factorial means 4 is a 12, 24, right? So I get this as 12 2s are, 2 5s are, I'm getting 11 into 45, right? It means, please check, 45, so yeah, 495 na, 495. Answer is 495. Please check. Option A is correct. Picking a face card out of the total face cards, right? Correct na? So 12C4, 12C4, 495 is the correct option. Next one, sir. There are 3 copies each of 4 different books. The number of ways which they can be arranged. Let's say we have 4 different book categories. Let's say we have PC, MB, 1 book from each category. Okay, so we have 3 of this, 3 of this, 3 of this, 3 of this. Total book bacha will be 12. So 12 factorial divided by each category bacha. How much is there? Please check. 3 factorial. You can club the 3 books in physics together. So 3 factorial we have for this. 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 3 factorial. What I get for this? Please check. So 12 factorial upon, we get here 3 factorial power 4. So 12 factorial upon, please check, you will have this value as it will become 3 factorial is how much, sir? It's going to be 6 power 4. 6 power 4. If you solve this, now it will be not difficult to solve. Okay, it will not be difficult to solve. You get the answer as option A only, 39600. 39600. Okay, because one answer will come because of the 10 will be there over, you know, 10 will be there, 12 11 10, and you have 5 into 4 also, basically 5 into 2 also, you get 2 zeros. Please check. Yeah, so option D cannot be there, option A, B, C is there, but if you solve it, you'll get 36960. Okay, please solve this and let me know in the comment section they got the same result or not. It will come at 36900. Okay, let's move on now. Number of positive integers formed with the at most 10 digits using the digits 0, 1, 2. 1 second, did I write the previous one? Yeah, A is there. Yes, sir. Okay, so we had, yeah, I've given all the options, right? Acha, cross check, bacha. I might have, got one answer wrong or something like that. If I have got any answer wrong, let me know in the comment section, okay? The number of positive integers formed with at most 10 digits using the digits 0, 1, 2. Okay. So we have total of 3 digits possible for each number, right? So I get 3 into 3 into 3, 10 times. 3 power 10, but we can't take one place as 0. Basically, if I have 3-digit number to form, right? So in one case, we can't take this as 0, right? One possibility is that, means I can remove that part out. This is my answer. It'll come out as bacha this option, 59048. Please solve it. 59048. Okay, 59048. Okay. If you're not finding it difficult to do it, please check. You can write like this: 3 9s are, so 3 power 2 is 9, 3 power 3 is 27, 3 power 4 is 81. So right here 81 into 9 will be easier to do it. Okay, so I get from here, please check, 729 actually. I think 9 1s are 9, 9 8s are 72. Okay, I can multiply this now. I'll get 729 times 81, so I get 729. Okay, 9 8s are, please check, 9 8s are, you can actually get the answer from here only. So last digit bacha will come as 9 only, na? Okay, minus 1 if you do, you get the answer as 8. Only one option like this. I'll solve it anyway. So 9 8s are 72, we have 7 as a in hand, carry. We have 8 to the 16 plus 7 will be 23, carry is 2. 7 8s are 56 plus 2 is 58. So I get 59049, 59048. 1 if you subtract, you get 59048. Please check. Done, right? Simple question. Let's move on now. How did I take this 3 power 10? Because each digit will have, you are looking to form 10 digits, right? Number of possible digits formed with almost 10 digits, and using each digit as 0 1 3. Means every digit has 3 options except for one where you can't take 0 over here. If you do that, it will become 2 digit. Okay, chaliye. So that has to be taken out. So it will become actually 0 0 0. We can't take that case. Okay, so this is going to be the result. All right, so I don't think you need this calculation, right? It will be all easy. Only you get the answer as 59048. I have given all this information to you. Let's move on now. Now for this question, the last digit n, okay, think about it. Okay, sir. Yes, so actually from if I do 1 factorial, I'll get here this as 1. 3 factorial is nothing but 6. 5 factorial will have 120, and rest all the terms will have 0 in it. Won't you all agree? Yes. Okay, so that is going to be all right. Now if you check on this side, you'll have 2 factorial as 2, 4 factorial as 24. So we have 24 here, and rest all term bacha will have 0 in it. Next will come 6 factorial, right? So you'll have 0 in it. Okay, so if you actually compare the last digit, okay, so what you're going to get 1 plus 6, which is how much? So 7, because every term has 0 in it. So 7 plus 0 will become 7 only, right? Same way 2 plus 4 will be 6, okay, and every other term will have 0 in it, so 6 plus 0 will become again 0. Now if you write that 7 minus 6, I'm talking about only units digits place, okay. So please check, answer will be 1. Okay, answer will be 1. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Got it? Think like that. Okay, next problem. So we have the remainder obtained by 1 factorial square, 2 factorial square. So let's write the numbers. 1 factorial square plus 2 factorial square plus 3 factorial square plus 4 factorial square plus what we have over here is 5 factorial square all the way to 100 factorial square, and we are dividing this whole number by what bacha? By 10 square. How much is that? 100. Okay, so think about it. Any term which has the last 2 digit as 100, I can cancel this by 100, right? Means they'll have no remainder in that case. And what I'm asking you to, any term which has last 2 digit as 00, it will have no, then you can just simply cancel by 100, it will have no remainder. Won't you agree? Okay, basically that number which has the last 2 digit as 0 will be divisible by 100. What is 100, sir? What is given here? 10 square. All of you agree? Great. So think about it. 5 factorial, how much is that, bacha? It will be nothing but, this value is 120 the square. Won't it have a number like this, 14400? So any number after 5 factorial will have 00 in it or not? Think about it. It will have, so it means from 5 factorial to 100 will be, all the numbers will be divisible because they will have the last 2 digit as 0 at least. Okay, yeah, they might have more than last 2 digit also, but they have last 2 digit at least more than 0. In that case, please check, I have only these terms to consider. What I get? 1 square, what I get? 2 square, what I get? 6 square, what I get? 24 square. So I have here 1 plus 4 plus 36 plus 576, add it. So I'm getting here 580 right now. This plus this is 580 plus 36 will become 507. Okay, 516, right? So 616, right? Yeah, so this number is nothing but 617. What do you think that? Please check. 580 plus 36 is 616 plus 1 is 617. Dividing this by 100. They're asking what is the remainder. They're asking what is the remainder. So divide this 6 times. I get 600. Number will be simply 17. That's my answer. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Excellent question. Excellent question is a PYQ from 2016. Next, if you check what we have, given 5 line segments for length 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is this value, sir? This is the value of A, B, C, okay? What is this value? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for a triangle. Please check for a triangle only, right? Yeah. The number of triangles that can be formed by joining these 3 segments. Okay. So how, bacha, out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, I have to choose at least 3 at a time. Correct. I have to choose 3 at a time to make this, because I need 3 lengths to make it a triangle. These are sides, right? 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units are the sides. To make a triangle, I need at least of 3 lengths from here. But is all 3 lengths okay? Means any combination of 3 lengths is okay? Think about it. I'll give you example. If I take 2, 3, 5, add it, 2 plus 3 is 5. Is it possible? We know that sum of 2 sides, basically any 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. That's the property, right? It means sum of any 2 sides. So we take 2 plus 3 should be always greater than 5. Possible or not? This case not possible. This case not possible. Take another combination. We can take 2, 4 and 6, right? Yeah, 2, 4 and 6. Please check for this case. Okay, alright. I can take 2 plus 4, which is not greater than 6. Hence, this also is not possible. We'll take one more, 2, 3, 6. I think that will work. Yeah, 2 plus 3 is how much, sir? 5, which is, sorry, not greater than actually. What is it, sir? 6. So this is also not possible. So I have to remove 3 such cases: 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, and 2, 3, 6. Okay. If I remove these 3 cases, that's my result. That's my result. Please check. That's the largest one, right? We have -2 here, -1 here. Option A is correct, sir. Good question. A very good question. Okay. Moving on now. Chaliye. 56 PR6 ratio with that is 30800. It's a simple question. Just we have to apply the formula for this. 56 factorial divided by 56 minus, let's write everything, r minus 6 factorial. That's your first part. This whole is in the ratio with this term. Please check. 54 factorial divided by 54 minus r minus 3. So 51, basically I can write that, not a problem. 54 minus r minus 3 factorial equals to, we have 30800 by 1. 30800 by 1. Great, sir. So now see the what do you call cancellation of terms. I divide this and this by 56 into 55. Correct, now? I can write this as 56 into 55 into 54 factorial. That's what I have over here. Can be cancelled. Great, sir. Now, what about this term? Please check. So I'm ending up with, this is my one of the steps. Next step will be 56 into 55. Okay, divided by, please check, what is this term going to be? 56 minus 6 is how much, sir? 50 minus r factorial. Okay, and I don't have this term over here. I can write this in the numerator. It will come, right? It will come in the part of numerator, right? It's a division to division, right? So it will become multiplication. So I'll have 51 minus r the factorial. Think about it. It's division in the division, right? This whole thing is a division, and this is the division of the division. It'll become the new, comes as numerator multiplication. So I'm writing over here 51 minus r factorial equals to 30800. Now, please check. I can cancel this also. Which is bigger, sir, out of these two? This is bigger, right? 50 minus r and 51 minus r. Which is bigger, sir? This is bigger. So I'll cancel this and this by a number 51 minus r. If you're not sure, I can do that as well. Please check, bacha. 51 minus r factorial is nothing but 51 minus r into 50 minus r factorial. That's what I'm cancelling over here. Please check. These two terms I'm cancelling with 51 minus r. If I cancel these two, no, I'll have only this left, right? Okay. Let's continue now. What I have. So rest is very simple. Please check. So I'm left with 56 into 55 into 51 minus r equals to 30800. Okay, 30800. Please check. I can multiply these two numbers, no? It'll become 56 into 55. 5 6 is 30, carry is 3, 5 is 25, 3 is 28. So again, same thing will repeat. I get here 0, 8, 0, 3. 3080. It means I'll have 3080 into 51 minus r equals to 30800. Please check. 30800. Not looks clean, sir. I'll just erase this section and write it again. So I'll have this value as 30800. Please check. I can cancel this with a 10. I have 51 minus r as 10. Over here I get 51 minus 10 as r, so 41 as r. 41 as r. Option is A. Option is A. Please check. Very interesting question. Not difficult, not challenging at all. Simple only, but yeah, interesting. Okay, let's move on to next question, and hopefully, yeah, this is the last question of your day. Okay, so let's solve this and complete our session. But we have 2 by 9 factorial plus 2 by 30. Okay, all right. I can see I have to compare this with this. Okay, so to make something common over here, let's do that. So I'll write here first 2 by 9 factorial plus 2 by 3 factorial 7 factorial. Okay, plus 1 upon, I have 5 factorial already, and I have another factorial. Please check here, bacha. Actually, I already have 7 factorial in this case, because I can write this as 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. I can write the 9 factorial as, please check, 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. So in this number, 7 factorial is there. I can take it common, but I have something missing over here. If I multiply this number with 6 into 7, then one of the number can be clubbed together to make 7 factorial. Please check here, I have 5 factorial already. Multiplying that with 6 into 7, it will become 7 factorial. I am doing something extra over here, so I have to repeat the same thing in the numerator. Equals to what I have is 2 power a upon b factorial. Please check now. I can take this 1 by 7 factorial common. Now what I have left is 2 upon 9 into 8. Plus I have, please check, 2 upon 3 factorial, plus I have 6 into 7 upon, I've taken this part common, right? Only 5 factorial left over here. Okay, great. And for this I have 2 power a and b factorial. I have to simplify this inside. It will become 2, yeah, please check, 2 4s are 8. There's nothing, okay, I can cancel this, or it becomes 2 by 3 actually. So please check, 1 by 7 factorial. I have 1 by 36 for this term. And writing this as 2 by 3 factorial, right? So it will become 6. So 1 by 3. 3 factorial is 6. So 2 by 3 will become, so 2 by 6 will become 1 by 3. That is clear. Okay. What about this, sir? 6 into 7 into 5, 4, 3. Basically 120, right? 5 factorials are 120. 4 factorial is 24. 5 factorial is 120. Not a problem. Let's write that. Okay, it's going to be 120. Great. Equals to 2 power a, and we have b factorial over here. I can cancel this 6 2s are 620 I get. Anything else I can cancel? No, sir. Next steps over here, please check. So I'll write this as 1 by 7 factorial. And on this side I have, what is the LCM of all of this? Please check the LCM of all of this. I can write this as, Okay, 180, right? 180 is right. Please check. 2 9s are 36, 5s are right. I think 180 looks good. 20, 36 and 3. 180 or 120. So I can write this with let's say 4. I have here 4 5s are, 4 9s are and 3. Write one more time with 3. I get 5, 3 and 1. So what I get? 5 3s are 15. 15 4s are 60 into 3, 180, right? 15 into 4 will be 60 and into 3 will be 180. So this will becomes a 180. Please check. Okay. So this is 180. Now we'll make the change. 36 times of 5 I'll have, so it'll become 5 plus 3 times of 60, right? So it'll become plus 60. Okay. And 20 times of 9, right? It'll become 9 7s are 63. Please check. I can remove this part. Great. Alright, so what I'm ending up with, have a look. Great, 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 sir. Equals to, we have 2 power a of course and b factorial. And b factorial. Please check now. So I have here 1 by 7 factorial into 3 plus 5 is 8, 6 plus 6 is 12, so 128 by 180 equals to 2 power a upon b factorial. I can simplify this. Yes, 4, yeah, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. Okay, what about this? 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 I have, and over here 4 4 16, I get 4 5 are 12, 45 I'm getting over here. Correct, right? 4 4 are 16 and I have 4 left, sorry 2 left, right? Yeah, 2, 4 5 are 20, correct only. So please check, I'm getting here 1 by 7 factorial into 9 into 5. Okay, and on this side I have 2 power 5 in the numerator, so I have 2 power a and b factorial. So I'll see what we can do. So I want to make a factorial over here. So think about, bacha, since I have 5 over here, can I cancel this 5 in the numerator? I cannot cancel. It means I have to make it 10. So look at this. If I had a 8 over here and into 2 over here, it'll make my life easier, won't it? Please check. I'll have 2 into 5 as 10. I'll have 8 and I have 9. Basically, I'm going to have what? 7 factorial into 8 into 9 into 10 in the denominator. Think about it, because I cannot cancel 5, can I? No. So 5 into 2 will make 10, 8 is as it is, 9 is as it is. It means I get 7 factorial into 8 factorial into 9 factorial into 10. Okay, sorry. 7 factorial into 8 into 9 into 10. Okay, sorry. And I have to multiply same thing that I've done over here in the numerator also. So into 16, basically 8 into 2 is 16. Please see. So what I get? 2 power 5 and 2 power 4, right? So 16 is 2 power 4 equals to 2 power a and b factorial. You can see the answer from here will become 2 power 9 over here. So 2 power 9 I have in the numerator so far, not 29. 1 second. I can write better. Yeah. So I'll write it over here only. Please check. So I'll have 2 power 5 plus 9, so plus 4. So 2 power 9 upon, please check, 7 factorial into 8 into 9 into 10. How much is that, sir? 10 factorial equals to 2 power a and b factorial. What is the answer, bacha? Answer of a is 9 and b is 10. Excellent problem. Answer is A 9 B 10. Option C is correct. Okay, I took this question on purpose. It's not been asked recently. It's a 2012 question, but it was challenging. You can see here. So I think you were not able to see this end, right? Okay, so I'll just rewrite this part. I think, yeah, this is not visible. I just saw this end is not visible, so I'm gonna write this part again. Okay, so allow me to write the last step over here only. Okay, I'll add the last step over here. So I'm going to start one more time from this step. So please check, I'm writing this step over here. Okay, so I'll have 2 power, please check, 5 plus 4 is 9 divided by, I have 7 factorial into 8 into 9 into 10, it will become 10 factorial equals to, please check, 2 power a and b factorial. It means what, sir? Compare here, a is 9 and b is 10. A is 9 and b is 10. Option C is correct. Got it? Okay. Over this side is not visible, that's why I took that part and wrote it over there. So I hope this is all good. Okay, so please check this. Completes your session. Now with this I'm going to end your session today. So I hope you had fun in the second session of COMEDK Launchpad for mathematics. Let me know what was your your feedback, what you felt about the session, and how can we improve. And with this, I'm going to end the session today. Please keep working hard, keep smiling. Take care. Bye bye.